Guys, today we are taking oh my god. Today we're taking sales. Um a bias for today. Bearish. This whole entire month we've been bearish. Daily is bearish. 4 hour is bearish. We tapped into a 4 hour fair value gap. The 1 hour time frame is bearish. However, we have to keep in mind that we did just sweep 1 hour liquidity. On both pairs, by the way. Right here. Um Now we tapped into a 15-minute fair value gap on both well, not both, but just on NQ. On the 5 minute time frame, we are bearish, but we're about to break to the bullish side. Did we break? All right, both pairs did not respect this 1 minute fair value gap. So I'm not gonna take a buy because we swept 1 hour liquidity, but both pairs swept it out and didn't respect a fair value gap because ES didn't retrace into the 1 minute fair value gap. Now, also, guys, hold on 1 second. Also, guys, today we might have to wait until 10 o'clock because we have, what's today? Tuesday, right? Today we have news at 10 a.m., high impact news at 10 a.m. And I don't want that to be a reason why I lose a trade because I really want to win today. I'm not going to lie to you. But if I get a setup, I want to get in before 10 o'clock and I want to distinguish a clear trend. Right now, we don't have a clear trend. Right now, I think we're just still in manipulation. I think the macro just opened up. So, um, so yeah, we can, I believe this is our setup forming right here. I'm not going to lie. I need both of these fair value gaps to get disrespected and to break a structure to the downside. But yeah, we're in a 15-minute bearish fair value gap right now. Also a 30-minute on NQ. So yep. I literally want to take sells today. I don't want to mess around and take buys. But yeah, we'll see. I'll pause the video and give you guys an update on if we took a trade or an update on what's happening to the trend to the NQ itself. All right, 1 second. All right, guys, I'm back. We have news in 30 seconds, high impact news in 30 seconds. But I want you guys to see something. We came up, we took out 1 hour liquidity. We used this liquidity to bounce up to sweep this one. And we are now going to the downside. We got displacement on the 1 minute time frame. I'm now waiting for a break of structure. We created two fair value gaps, one right here and one up here. Same thing on ES. ES created a fair value gap here and up here as well, and both pairs respected that fair value gap. So I am on this candle. I'm gonna take a sell when it closes because both pairs are in unison. We got the displacement. Now all we need is to break a structure. Hopefully we get it. In about 20 seconds. Or is it gonna be weird to me? Please don't be weird to me. Okay, so I guess news caused it to buy. That I do not understand one bit. And this is why it's a good thing that I traded before. It's a good thing that I waited to trade before the news till after the news came in because we would have got raped on that freaking candle. So, okay, so this is weird, right? NQ created a 15-minute fair value gap. ES didn't create a 15-minute fair value gap. ES took out these 15-minute highs NQ took out these 15-minute highs. Now do we want to sell? This is what you guys want to try to do when it comes to looking for similarities in these pairs. You want to make sure that they're both doing the same thing around the same time. Like right now, I would love for us to go to the downside because we took our hourly liquidity, and right now it's what time is it? It's 10:02. The hourly candle. Oh, on ES, my bad. The hourly candle on ES came up and closed down here. It took out these highs, right? And that means that it was a liquidity sweep inside this 4-hour fair value gap. So, and it also took out these 15-minute highs as well. I want us to go to the downside now. It only makes sense. We tapped into this 1 minute order block as well right here. This is a 1 minute order block. So price should not come up here. This is an intermediate term high. Damn, it's a little. What is this? 621 pips? Oh, hell no. I mean, not pips. It's 155 points. But at 621 ticks? Hell no, I'm not entering off of that. So, guys, I was going to take a sell here, but that's too much of a distance, bro. Way too much of a distance. Now, look, see? Both pairs took out 15-minute highs, and both pairs are now creating fair value gaps to the downside. This is what we want to see. NQ took out, broke structure to the downside. I would love for us to come up into this 1 minute fair value gap so that I can get a better entry. But you don't know. I don't know. We don't know. Nobody knows. How would they know? They never know. So yeah, guys, definitely want to take some sells today. This might be a breakaway gap. Yeah, this might be a breakaway gap right here. And this might be the regular fair value gap right here. Why am I doing 1 hour fair value gap? One minute fair value gap. Cool. All right, guys, gonna come back and we are going to take a trade once we have one. I pray to God that we don't take out these lows before we get a setup. But let me mark them off. All right, guys, I'll be right back. Guys and gals, we are in a sell on NQ. What ended up happening was price disrespected this fair value gap but came up into this one, also tapping into this 1 minute order block. We got our intermediate term high right here. Price should not trade above that. If it does, we lose. Simple as that. Going for a 1 to 2. But I really want to see price come down here to these 4-hour lows. And yeah, we'll see what happens. Right now we pretty much displacing again to the downside. It's created another fair value gap up here, so that's a beautiful sign. 1 minute fair value gap. And ES thankfully is doing the same exact thing, and this is what I preach to you guys day in and day out. You want to make sure that both pairs are moving the exact same way when it comes to momentum. We don't want that one pair is creating fair value gaps and the other pair isn't. If you're in a trade, the best confluence to have is both pairs doing the same thing. But yeah, guys, we are in this bitch. And yeah, I'm taking some sells today. Once again, guys, I'll repeat the buys for you. The daily bearish. 4 hour, also bearish. 1 hour, came down, took out these 1 hour lows, came up, took out these 1 hour highs. 15 minute, we swept 15-minute highs right here. On the 1 minute time frame, we created a break of structure with this placement to the downside. Look at this momentum. I waited for 10 o'clock news to hit before I took a trade. We came back up, tapped into this 1 minute order block, and we are displacing to the downside now on both pairs. Both pairs are doing the same exact thing, and that is my confluence for this trade. Hopefully today could be the day that we get funded. I mean that we pass our evaluation account, but I'm not even gonna try to. I don't have any high hopes for this trade. I have no expectations. I'm just going in there with the mindset of securing profits and just sticking to my edge. But yeah, okay. This looks like a good sign because this looks like another fair value gap forming. So momentum is still on our side. Let me take off these. But yeah, guys, what do we have? Do we have anything? Oh, we took off 15-minute lows, but All right, guys, I see that we just took off 15-minute lows, but we disrespected this 15-minute fair value gap. So I love that. On ES, we took out the 15. We broke beneath the 15-minute lows, which is a good sign. Yep. So yeah, guys, I'll come back once we have either take profit or stop loss hit, or just giving you guys a general update on the trade. I don't want you guys to wait here and be bored. All right, guys, we are about to be funded. Look at the balance. Look at how much we're up. 675. I need this to come back down here. I need this to come back down here to where it was. I put my stop loss to break even. Because why did I put my stop loss to break even? Oh, I put my stop loss to break even because we should not trade up above these levels anymore. Oh my God. I think today's the day we pass our account. 52. 860. 870. And I know the markets don't care about your profits or whatever you got going on, but I truly do believe that we can come down to here at least because of the momentum. Both pairs are doing the same exact thing. If we come down to here or just a little bit lower, we pass the funded. I mean, we passed the eval. 960. We did it. Guys, we did it. We did it. I'm closing. We did it. Oh my God. 53K. We have finally passed the funded account. How much did we? $864. We have passed the funded account. Oh my gosh. 50K eval passed. We have did it. Oh my gosh. I gotta hold on. Hold on. I have to. Forget the copyright. I don't even care. I'm the man. Yes, I am. Good shit, Josh. Oh my gosh, bro. We did it. We finally freaking did it, bro. I'm gonna put that what's it called? Not the plaque. I'm gonna put the paper that you get telling you that you passed. I'm gonna put that shit on my wall, bro. I have to. But this is just the beginning, guys, because we have the other account that needs to pass as well too. But tomorrow I'll be trading on that account. But yeah, man, we finally did it. Now moving on to this funded account, I do have some rules that I'm gonna set in place for myself. I am risking $200 per trade, going for a 1 to 2 risk reward ratio. The reason being is because I want to at least do 400 times 5. That's 1K a week, right? I'm not risking $400 per trade like on how I did on my eval. I'm risking $200 per trade, and I'm going to be going for a 1 to 2 trade risk reward ratio. That's $400 a week. I mean, a day. That's 1K a week. That first week, I'll build up the buffer. Second week, I'll do a 1K withdrawal. And that's how we're going to do it from now on out. I'm not too pressed on getting big returns on my funded account, because I know that that's a whole different ball game when it comes to trading, a whole different ball game. But yeah, guys, we did it. We did it. We did it. I'm so happy. I'm so proud of myself. Thank you guys for tuning in. The balance, once again, well, this is the other account, but the balance is now 53K, which means we have finally passed the funded account, the evaluation. Thank you guys. You guys have an amazing day. Um, and yeah, I'm just so happy right now. This really made my day, man. I love it. Take care, guys. Have a good one.